Okay, this lesson is for our math section for 13.1, divide by 6. So students, you should have your workbooks already. You need to turn to page 391 and we will start. Same thing we did in the classroom. I will guide you through this. You follow along. If you have any questions, I'll be able to answer those through emails. First thing we need to do is analyze the question that they're asking us. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So take your pencils. So Mrs. Singh needs to buy 24 juice boxes. Here we know we have to circle that. For the class picnic, juice boxes come in packs of 6. So we know that's going to be part of our problem. And we underline what we need to answer. How many packs does Mrs. Singh need to buy? So here we did circle the number that tells you how many juice boxes in a pack. And how can you use the information to solve the problem? So write a quick statement right now, pause the video, and write your statement. Okay, you should have came back and written the statement of using maybe division and maybe have a division problem here. So let's go ahead and use one way right now that the book tells us to use, and again, this is the easiest way to do it, making your counters. So you're going to draw 24 counters. So let me select a color that will be easier for you to visualize. So 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And it tells us to circle them in the groups of what? Groups of 6. So get your marker, get your colored pencil, and let's group them in groups of 6. So here we go, one group of 6. There's another group of 6. There's one more group of 6, and here's another group of 6. So now we're going to look to see and answer this question right now. So how many groups of 6 are there? So we're going to count. So if we look at this real quickly, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 6. Please fill in that information right now, and we'll check to see how you did right now. So pause the video now, go in and complete this assignment. Use the information you have here to fill that in. So pause. Okay, you should have came back already. We're back now, and let's see how you did. So there are how many groups of 6? That is correct, 4. So Ms. Singh needs to buy how many packs of juice boxes? She needs to buy 4 packs of juice boxes because 4 times 6 equals 24. So you can write your division question was 24 divided by how many? 6 equals 4. Or your answer here, 24 divided by 6 equals 4. How did you do? Good job. I'm very happy everyone was successful here. So let's move on to the next section of the questions you have here. These are the other ways we can do this. And if we look at this one, it says write a related multiplication fact. So again, we're going to use this. 24 divided by 6 is the same thing as saying what? Something times 6 equals 24. And if you look at the problem that we had before, you should know that it is 4 times 6 equals 24. And again, here's another one. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. And 24 divided by 6 equals 4 also. Another way, B, is to use the factors to find 24 divided by 6. And we're getting the factors of 6 here. Factors of 6 are 3 and 2. So 24 divided by 6 here. We're looking at the factors that they used right here to get the answers. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And this one, 24 divided by 6 is what? Yes, 4. That's correct. So that's another way we can use it, by using the factors or write a related multiplication fact. Let's go on to the next section here. We have share and show. Again, let's work this one out. Take a few minutes right now. So go ahead and pause the video, and let's come back and see how you did with questions number 1 through questions 1 2, and 3, and then we'll check that. Pause the video now, fill in that questions. Okay, we're back. Let's see how you did. So find the unknown factor and the quotient. So unknown factor, this is a factor, remember. Unknown factor, 6 times what equals 12. The unknown should have been 2. Here is the quotient. Remember, quotient, 12 divided by 6 equals 2. Very good. Now we're finding the quotient again, 42 divided by 6. So we know 6 times what equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 42. Very good. I'm sorry. 6 times 7 equals 42. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let's go on to the problem solving section and see how we did here. This one is the algebraic section here. And all we're doing is finding the unknown letter here, and it's the same. We're finding the quotient for the division. It's the same thing. We just substituted the letters or the symbols for quotient. So you do the exact same thing. Pause this one right now and work on 4 through 11, and then we'll check your answer. So pause it right now and then come back when you're done. Okay, we're back and we're solving for K. So we're looking at 54 divided by 6. So we're looking at 6 times what equals 54, and you should have got an answer of, okay, let me get that out of the way. Answer of 9. Sorry for that. I'm still getting practice with that. Again, we're solving for the triangle. 40 divided by 5 is 8. Good. 0 divided by 6 equals 0. Remember, anything divided by 0 is going to be 0. 60 divided by 10, and M is 6. So here we're looking at algebra. Find the unknown number. We're looking for this number right here. And we know that what factor do we need to multiply 7 with to get 42? And your answer is 6. Again, 24. What factor do we need to multiply 8 with to get 24? And your answer should be 3. 16 divided by what equals 4? So again, we're looking at these two numbers here. What's your factor? 4 times what equals 16? And your answer is 4. 32 divided by blank equals 4. Again, you're missing factor there, and your answer should be 8 here. Alright, very good. Nice work. And let me delete all that. Let's scroll down. Let's go look at the problem solving questions. You do have space here to work these out. Remember, we're going to analyze. There's an error here. So let's see what the error is here. So Mary has 36 stickers to give to 6 friends. Okay. She says she can give each friend only 5 stickers. Use a division equation to describe Mary's error. So there's an error here. So let's set up that division equation. So she has 36, and she's going to divide them by 6, and we know that is 6. So what is the error here? Well, the error here is Mary cannot divide them into 5 stickers, because 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So the error there is that Mary she gave each friend only 5 stickers, and we know that cannot be it, because if she has 36 and she has 6 friends, she can only give 6 to each friend to divide them equally. That should have been the answer to that one. Let's look at the next one here. Sorry for that. So we're looking at Cody baked 12 muffins. We're going to analyze this. He keeps 6 muffins. How many muffins can he give to each of his 6 friends if each friend gets the same number of muffins? So let's look and analyze that. So we know he has 12 muffins. He keeps 6. How many muffins can he give to 6 of his friends if each friend? So he has 12. The first thing we need to do, he has 12. And he keeps 6. So how many does he have left over? He has 6. So if each one of his friends gets the same number of muffins. So how many muffins will each one? Yeah, 6. So 6 divided by 6. So each friend will get how many muffins? He'll get 1. The key is subtracting the 6 that he kept right here. All right, nice work. Multi-step. So we see multi-step. You know there's going to be what? Yes, very good. It's going to be 2 steps here. So let's see which 2 steps we're going to apply here. Let me scroll up so we can have more room. And again, show your work here. Please do not try to do this with mental math, because as we get further along, you may have issues. Let me draw this a little bit smaller. So Derek bought 2 boxes of fruit snacks. Okay, he bought 2 boxes of fruit snacks. There are 12 in each box. If he eats 6 fruit snacks each day, how many days will the fruit snacks last? So how do we set that up? Get what you know. He bought 2 boxes of fruit snacks, and there were 12 in each box. So there's 12. Oops, sorry. 2 boxes, and there's 12. So how many does he have total? He has 24. Well, if he eats 6 fruit snacks, so 24, he's gonna eat 24. He's gonna eat how many? He's gonna eat 6 a day. How many days will it last? Well, 24. If he eats 6 a day, it will last him how much? Yes, 4 days. 4 days. So your multi-step was multiplying first the number of boxes with the number in each box to get your total here, your product here, and then divide your product here by the number of days to get how long it will last. Nice work. Good job. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, here we go with the strip diagram. And remember from last time when we worked on our star tests, be very careful with this. So write and solve a word problem for the strip diagram. So you know here you have what? 30 total. And how many do you have? How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you have 6, there's only one number that can go in there. So it equals 30 if everything has the same number. If every box has the same number of in each box. So we have 6. So you're going to divide 30 divided by 6. So one number goes inside. The number is 5. The number is 5. So 5 goes in each one. Sorry about the numbers. I'm still practicing here. 5 goes in each one. 5 goes in each one. Now your sentence here, the word problems, they're going to vary. Use this to come up with a word problem, and the word problem should be something where they have 30. They divide them into 6 equal parts. How many parts do you have? Or you could create a multi-step problem. So they will vary, and I'm very interested to see some of these answers when we have a chance to share these on the comments section of the video. Alright, well thank you. We went over some of these steps, some of the assignments that we usually do on the whiteboard, on the smart board. I hope everything in here is something that you can use to answer your daily task assessment. Here's your quiz for the day. So take a few minutes, do your daily task assessment. Make sure you show your work here or on a separate sheet of paper. I will be asking to show me that in the near future, so please keep that handy. Either do it here on a separate sheet of paper, put today's date on it. Your homework for tonight is the next one. So go over this, again, show your work. And on Wednesday morning, the first thing we'll do before we start the lesson is check your daily task assessment, give your overall grade there, and check your homework. And once we do that, we should be in good shape to answer any one of your questions. Well, that concludes today's lesson for 13.1. Please keep watching these videos, and I will upload a daily lesson daily for you to review and guide you through your math workbook. Thank you again for everything you do, and make sure you're washing your hands daily, and please keep in mind that your parents are working hard to keep you at home right now, and you need to be patient with them and be respectful. Alright, for now, this is Mr. Lopez saying goodbye, and we'll see you again in the next lesson.